To divide polynomials using the reverse tabular method, the first thing I need to do is figure out how many columns and how many rows I will need. To figure out the number of columns, I will take the power of the numerator, which is 3, subtract the power of the denominator, which is 1, and add 1. So 3 minus 1 plus 1 is 3 columns. To figure out the number of rows, I will take the power of the denominator plus 1. So 1 plus 1 would be 2 rows. I will take the dividend, which is x cubed, 5x squared, 7x, and 3, and put it along the outside of the boxes. And the divisor, which is x plus 3 on the right side. I'm going to try to figure out what goes in the rest of the boxes. In order for me to get the x cubed, I have x times x squared, which will give me the x cubed in the top left-hand corner. Then I can take the x squared times 3, and that gives me the 3x squared. I need this diagonal to pop out and be a 5x squared. The only way to make that happen is if this box is a 2x squared. The only way for that to be inside as a 2x squared is I had to multiply x times 2x for that to be true. Now I have 2x times 3, which is 6x. And the only way for them to pop out and be a 7x is if this happens to be a 1x or just a regular x. In order for that to be a 1x, I need a 1 to be on top because 1 times x will multiply inside to be 1x. And 1 times 3 in the last box will be 3. Everything pops out of the box. So my quotient here will be whatever I found on the top, which in this case is x squared plus 2x plus 1. There is no remainder.